So I have a commission piece here for a male customer who wanted a specific clasp and specific jump ring at just over 24 inches. So there was nothing that was ready on the market, and I'm going to do this for him specifically. And he wanted it to be oxidized and brushed. So I'm going to do that project and show you all the steps. It's very easy. First order of business, and he wanted this kind of jump ring. And all I have to do is close it. Like this. And then I'm going to weld. Let's see. Okay. This is 22 gauge. So I'm going to weld at 7 watts. There we go. I think that did it. I'm just going to do on the other side. I think that's good. I'm going to always check it. Great. That is how quick it is. And there we go. Filming is sometimes a little bit harder. Excellent. And I don't need to brush it because we're going to oxidize it. You wanted it exactly like this. So there we go. We're going to now oxidize and brush. So I'm in front of the sink and I have this chain, which I am going to oxidize with Dax Silver Blackener. Even though this is anti-tarnishing and it's protective coated, this is very, very strong. So you don't actually need a whole lot. I would just pour a little bit in here like this. Because this is protective coated, it takes a while, and you'll see that the lobster clasp is not protective coated to the same extent as the chain, and it'll take a little bit longer. But so to help it along, you can agitate it like this and leave it for a minute or so. So 2 minutes have passed, and you'll see that this lobster clasp has turned solidly black and this chain not so much. But the customer wanted this to be buffed and not totally black. So if I was to leave it in for about 2 to 3 more minutes, the chain will eventually get to that solid black. But I think this is good to go now. So what I do is make sure I have a strainer there, and I take it out like this. This I save. And I rinse really carefully. You see, this oxidized looks really good with gold. So now we're going to dry like this, pat dry, and then we're going to be ready to brush.